Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use medium in fabric painting. Fabric medium is a fantastic additive that transforms regular acrylic paint into a flexible, washable fabric paint. It ensures your designs remain soft to the touch and won't crack or peel over time. The key is to mix it in a simple 1-to-1 ratio with your chosen acrylic color. Before you begin painting, proper fabric preparation is essential for lasting results. Always pre-wash your fabric without fabric softener to remove any sizing or oils. Then, iron it smooth to create a flat canvas. Place a protective barrier, like cardboard, inside or underneath your garment. Finally, stretch and secure the fabric to keep it taut and prevent shifting during your creative process. Now for the fun part, mixing and painting. Combine 1 part fabric medium with 1 part acrylic paint in a small container. Stir it well until you have a smooth, consistent color. When applying, remember to use thin, even coats. This helps the paint remain flexible and adhere better to the fabric. Always let each layer dry completely before adding another to build up your design. Once your masterpiece is complete, proper curing and care are vital for its longevity. Let your painted fabric air dry for at least 24 hours. Then, heat set the design with a dry iron for 3 to 5 minutes, using a pressing cloth for protection. After 72 hours, you can gently wash the item inside out in cold water, ensuring your beautiful design lasts for many years.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.